Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to draw shapes on Olymp Trade. If you are in Olymp Trade and want to mark charts with shapes or lines for better analysis, then here is how you can do it. First of all, launch open the Olymp Trade application and log in. From the home page of Olymp Trade, go to the Trades button at the bottom of the screen. Now, go ahead and tap on any open trades on the page, or if you don't have any open trades, then click on Explore Assets. Select a different asset you'd like to open up from the menu, and you'll be able to see the chart page. From the chart page, click on the drawing icon, which is indicated as a little compass icon at the top right. Tap on that, and from the menu at the bottom, click on Drawing. Now, you can choose the type of drawings you'd like to make. You can choose from lines, arrows, rectangles, etc. Choose any one shape you'd like to add to your chart, and once you do that, go ahead and tap on one of the area within the chart where you want to set the first corner of the drawing. After you do that, tap on the other end to finish a rectangle or any kind of a shape, and there you have it. You've drawn a shape on Olymp Trade chart page. You can now go ahead and adjust its size by dragging it up and down or placing it in a desired location within the frame. You can also edit or delete the drawing according to your preference. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.